Hello and welcome back. So in the previous video, we learned how to build the archive template for terms. Terms like categories, tags, products, or any other term that you have on your website. Now in this video, let's move forward and look at building the search results template. So what is a search result template? Before we learn to build a search result template, let's understand how it works and how it looks like on a website. So let me take you through one of my websites. Now you can see on this website that there is this search bar given on this website where the user can search something. It could be a blog, a tutorial, or anything else that is available on the website. So if the user is looking for some specific blog like why every business, he can just type partially and click on search. Now what will happen is the search result template will open and it will show you the results which are very close to what the user had typed in the search box. So here you can see this starts with why every business. Here you have why. So it will pick up the common words and it will start showing content related to that. Now that's the purpose of a search result template, to show you results based on the search term that the user is typing. Now let's move forward and build a search result template for your website. So are you ready? Let's go. So here we are back on our WordPress admin dashboard. So to create a search result template, we need to first add a search bar to one of the pages or maybe the header or footer. So let's do one thing. Let's add a search bar to the header and then we can start working on the search result template. So let's go to the header template under template theme builder. Let's look for the header template, edit with Elementor. Now here we can add the search bar instead of this button. So let's open this container. Inside this container, let's look for the search element. This is the search element. Let's drag it and bring it inside this container. Here you go. So now we have the search bar inside this container. We can actually delete this button. Let's delete this button and keep only the search. Now let's edit the search element. Okay, we've changed the text. If you want to add a search icon, you can do that. You can upload, you can select one search icon from your media. I don't want to do that, so let's leave that. Maybe we can look at the icon library. Maybe we can use this icon. Okay, no, this is the icon for clearing. So let's go back, or let's ignore this. We can even do undo from here. Edit. Let's autocomplete. Here we can use a search icon like this. Search for blogs, show autocomplete. The clear icon is cross, that's okay. The submit button says search, that's okay. And we don't want live results on this page. Sources will be posts because we want to show posts. So it will search for post. Let's go to style. Okay. Placeholder text color can be text. We can make it slightly faint. Okay. Icon color can also be the text color. You want a border? We can have a solid border, or we can have none. We can have a box shadow, or we can remove it. Let's give it a border radius, a curvature. Now we can keep the icon size to 14 pixels like this. Gap can be increased between the text and the icon like this. We can adjust the gap between the search box and the search button from here like this. Okay, now let's work on the submit button. The typography can be accent because it's a button. Okay, let's give a background color to the button first. So it can be the accent color, and on hover the accent color can be a slightly darker one, so that when we hover on it, it becomes dark like this. Okay, let's give it a border radius. Now let's give it a 10 pixel. Increase the right and left to 20. Okay, now this looks fine. We can also give a shadow to the button so that it's possible to see that this is a button. Okay, so here we go. We have added a search bar to the header of the website. Let's click on publish. Now let's check the website. This is before updating the header. Now let's refresh it. Okay, so now that button has been replaced by a search. So we can type whatever we want to, and when we click search, it will show us the results. Now before it can show us the results, we need to create a search result template. So now let's go and do that. Let's clear this. Let's go to the templates again. Template theme builder. Let's go to search result and click on add new template. Create. Let's close this. Alright, so here we are on the search result template page. Now let's do one thing. Let's make this template look very similar to the blog page or the archive page. So to do that, let me open the archive page in one of the tabs so that we can directly copy from there. Okay, I'm opening the term archive template. So here we have the term archive template. Let's copy these containers one by one and paste them on the search result page. We will make minor changes to these to basically fit the requirement of the search result page, but for now let's just copy them and paste. So the last section is this one. Right click, copy and paste. So this is the advantage in Elementor. You can actually copy and paste stuff from one page to another. So it's very helpful and makes things fast. So let's publish this first. Add a condition, select search results and save. So now for search results, this particular template would be followed. Now let's make changes to this template. Okay, so let's edit this. See, okay, so this is already picking up the archive title. So whatever would be the search term, that would appear here on the top. We can give an option to the user to add, basically search from this page itself. We will add a search bar here also later on. Now this is a loop grid. So here, since it's already selected as post, we are using the post loop template here, and we have selected current query as a source of content. So whatever is the search term, a related content would be shown here from the source, which is post. So this should be okay. Now let's go back and see if this is working. So let's go back to the website, refresh it once. Let's look at title of one of the, okay, let's see, we want to open this. Let's copy and paste and let's search. Let's see what happens. All right, so it has opened the search page where it is showing the search result for the term that we had put here in the search field, and the first content is the one that has this term, and I'm sure even this particular content has this term somewhere inside it, so that is why this is being shown. So we can actually pick up some other content. Let's pick up this line and search for it. Paste, search. So basically you can see the content is changing based on what we are searching for. Now it's looking for this particular term, and this content somewhere has this term inside it. So that is why it is appearing first and then all the other content. Let me see if I copy the whole. So it is showing this content first because that whole title is matching, and somewhere inside this there are some similar words being used, so it is showing this content also. So like this we can create a search result template page for our website. So this enables you to give a field where users can search for a particular content type on your website instead of going through the entire website. It's very useful and helpful feature for your website. So I hope you were able to understand how to build a search result template. I will leave the link to all the screenshots in the description. Please go through it and follow the steps and try to build a search result template on your website. If you don't understand anything, please do feel free to write in the comment. If you got value from this video, please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video where we will look at the remaining Elementor Pro elements that we did not cover in the part 1, namely the loop grid, loop carousel, the search bar, and a couple of others that we were not able to cover in the first part of Elementor Pro elements. We will cover that in the next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Have a good time.